All right, so today we're going to talk a little bit about fat. Fat serves a couple different functions in our body. It gives us energy, it helps insulate our organs, it helps with vitamin regulation, and it also helps with the production of hormones. In 1 gram of fat, there is 9 calories, so this is the densest source of calories that we're going to get from a macronutrient. And we break down fats into 3 types. We classify these based on the stability of the molecule. So we have saturated fat, monounsaturated fat, and polyunsaturated fat. All right, so saturated fats are our most stable source of fat. Monounsaturated fat is our second most stable source of fat, and then polyunsaturated is our least stable source of fat. Just a quick side note, if you are cooking at higher temperatures, it would be smarter if you were to choose a more stable fat like a grass-fed butter or a coconut oil. Those are both saturated fat sources. It would just be a little bit safer. All right, so polyunsaturated fats are broken down into omega-3 and omega-6s. Omega-3s are anti-inflammatory, where omega-6s are pro-inflammatory. Now, it's really important for our health, especially longevity, that we reduce the inflammation that we have in our body. So it's really important that we consume a good balance of omega-3 and omega-6s. In hunter-gatherer days, it was believed that we used to consume a 1-to-2 or a 1-to-3 ratio of omega-3 to omega-6s. In today's modern diet, it's believed to be a 1-to-10 or a 1-to-20. So as you can see, things are a little bit out of proportion, and it's a high inflammation diet, which is why we see so much chronic disease along with poor lifestyle choices. When we talk about balancing our omega-3s and omega-6s, there's a few different things we can do. So first off, if you can afford and budget in buying grass-fed, pasture-raised, wild-caught into your lifestyle, that's awesome, and it's definitely going to help you mitigate that big gap between the ratio of omega-3s to omega-6s. If you can't budget that in, that's no big deal. What we do recommend is that you buy the leaner cuts of meat whenever you go grocery shopping for just regular meat. And we also do recommend supplementing with fish oil just to kind of balance out the omega-3 to omega-6.